Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to spy your competitors. You will see what kind of videos they are using to promote their products. You will see how much money they made. You will see what are the top selling products and many more data. And also I'm going to show you how you can make similar videos that are selling those products and how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Kalodata. And you need to register for a free account. And yes, they do have a paid account, but for the beginning, free account is quite fine. And here you can see all the data that they are actually providing, and many of these data is available on a free account. Now, once you register for a free account, you can click here on Explore. And then you can explore these products. When you scroll here you can see top products. Look at this. This product made almost $1 million in revenue, more than 55,000 items sold. Price $17.49. Here you can see $789,000 in revenue, and so on and so on. Here you can see what are the top creators. You can actually see what kind of products these guys here are promoting and how they are actually promoting. Here you can see how they are actually promoting these products. You can see what products and how they promote them. Here you can see top shops. Here you can see top video ads. Here you can see this guy here is promoting this product here. Revenue, he made 220. This product made more than $200,000. Here you can see top live streams. So for example, let's just say I wish to spy this guy here. When I click here, I can get more data. This is the video this is his latest video. Here you can see it was published on TikTok on December 19, 2024. Here you can see data for this product. Here you can see 11 million views, $200,000 in revenue. Here you can see the graph. Here you can see other people promoting similar products, similar videos. And let me actually go and check out his TikTok page. So I will click here, and here you can see his latest video. So let me just actually check out his profile. So when I go here I can see his profile. As you can see, he has 74,000, almost 75,000 followers, 2 million likes. So let me scroll here to find product video where he is promoting that product. So let me just scroll. Okay, here you can see this is the video where he promotes one of these products. So let me just go back here to see. Okay, he is actually promoting this product in this video. As you can see here, 5,000, almost 5,500 views. When you scroll even more down, you can find more videos that get more views where he is promoting different kind of products and making money from affiliate marketing. And let me just close here. And when you click here on category, you can find categories. This is, for example, top selling product in beauty and personal care. Here you can see graph. Here you can see shops. Here you can see creators. And this is important. Here you can see products. Here you can see top products. For example, this one here you can see it made more than $3.3 million in revenue. Here you can see the graph. Graph is actually showing it popularity is going down. Here you can see 250,000 items sold. Average price $13. Affiliate commission 30%. Here you can see top video that promotes this product here. And here you can see even more products. So for example, I just say I wish to promote this product here. I need to click on it to get more data. Here I can see more data about this product and more people who are promoting this product. So I actually need to find the exact same product on Amazon. So I will go here on Amazon and search exactly the same product. And here you can see it is exactly the same product. 61,000, more than 61,000 reviews, $50 per sale. $50 is the price of this product. So what I need to do, I need to click on it, and then I need to copy link to this product. Do not use your affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate link, use a direct link. And then I will simply go on a website called Visla AI. Okay, and then I'm going to click here on create a video. Now, Visla has a paid plan and a free plan. For the beginning, free plan is quite fine. So what I need to do, I need to click here on web page. And then simply I will paste the link to this Amazon product. And here I can add a description if I want. If I don't want to do that, I can simply click here on generate video. And now Visla AI will automatically pull data from the sales page of this product here directly from Amazon. And it will create a script. It will create a video automatically. We don't have to do anything. So if you're an absolute beginner, you can see you can 100% do this. You can use free plan on the beginning, but later you can switch to a paid plan. Now, depending on how long this video is, it can take from just a few seconds all the way to a few minutes, quite often even to up to 30 minutes. Okay, Visla finished processing my video, so let me show you how my video looks. So I will click here on play.
The Neck Tech Massager, a device that has garnered rave reviews from...
As you can see, it has a really good voiceover. It is an AI voiceover, but it is really, really good. Here you can see the script for this video. It was automatically pulled from this sales page. Now, if you wish to edit something, simply click here on edit, and now you can edit this script any way you want. You can add new videos, you can add new images if you want. You can also add a new audio, some new music, or your own voiceover, or change the voiceover. Also, when you click here on style, now this is important because I wish to upload this video on my TikTok page, but also on an Instagram page as Instagram Reels, and also on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. Here I will choose actually portrait 9:16, okay? And here you can see it already changed. You can also change the text style, subtitles. You can add subtitles. You can add some graphics. You can add some transitions. If you want, you can also switch from scene to scene. And when you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on regenerate and then click here on export, and you will export this video to your desktop. And after that, just go here on your TikTok page, click here on upload, and upload that video here on TikTok. Basically what you need to do, you simply need to do same thing that these guys here are doing. Okay, here you can see, do exactly the same thing like these people here, promote similar products and make similar videos, and you will start making money with TikTok and also with Amazon affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.